Hello South Africa. Today is Saturday, May 28, 2022, and here is news in a minute. 1. Miracle survivor, aged 7, escapes N3 horror crash. At least 16 people have been confirmed dead in the horrific multiple vehicle collision on the N3 Southbound in Pietermaritzburg on Saturday morning. Some taxi occupants were burned to death in the collision on the N3 Southbound between Peter Brown and Chatterton Road off-ramps in Pietermaritzburg. Emergency personnel were able to rescue a 7-year-old boy. As previously reported, 2 trucks, a bakkie, 2 minibus taxis and 5 other cars were involved in a collision resulting in a fully laden taxi bursting into flames. The fire had spread to other vehicles and had engulfed the taxi with all its occupants. It was also reported that multiple other motorists had been injured and are being treated by medical personnel from multiple ambulance services, and an official number had not yet been determined. The 7-year-old survived after his mother, who was also trapped in the minibus, was able to squeeze him through the window and handed him over to an Road Traffic Inspectorate (RTI) officer who had been attending to the truck that had overturned. The boy was rushed to Northdale Hospital, where he is currently being treated for internal injuries. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.